Hi, I'm Nick with Minard's Leisure World in Weyburn, Saskatchewan, and I've got the Grey Wolf 2018 Grey Wolf 29TE travel trailer with a difference. You're going to be kind of impressed with this particular one. So as we go back and forth, we'll let you have a look at it. This one has the fiberglass front nose cone as well as fiberglass on the sides. A nice clean look to it. Nice wide storage compartment right through the trailer, of course. As we come to the back, or work our way to the back, first door happens to be off the bathroom, which is pretty nifty because, of course, I call this the kids' door. You don't have to have the kids going through the whole trailer to use the washroom, or some people tend to imbibe with beverages that you need to move in there fairly quickly as well. So we'll just move on now to the back and see what you think. Has the door there. Awning, power awning, of course, with lights under the power awning, and they're a nice blue light that has a different look to it makes your trailer stand out a little different from others. Outside speakers, has a place that you can hang the television, so you can bring the TV out from inside, hang it out here and watch TV for the big game or for movies at night for the kids. Something else that the Grey Wolf has, they have the friction hinge doors, which they'll just stand where you put them, and then it's the solid steps going into the trailer. And I promise you, you will love these. What's nice about them is that as you step in, it doesn't bounce the trailer at all. It's good and solid, and if you're moving in and out a lot, you're going to find that it's even easier on your legs. Easy access handle. Come on and have a chat. Okay, we're in the Grey Wolf 29TE. And as soon as you walk in the door, that's where you're standing from right now, you're seeing how open this feels. Bright colors. The Grey Wolves have such nice decor in them that it just feels open to you. Large windows on the back side. Large U-shaped dinette. So you've got enough here to make a bed for adults if they're staying. And what they have is probably one of the longest storage drawers in the business. Check this out. Like, that's got to be... You can have a spare bedroom in here if you so desire for us short guys that come and visit. This also has a futon couch or a jackknife sofa. It just opens up and then there is another bed here. But the neat thing about this is that this has even cup holders that you can sit here with your drink, but it's got USB ports that you can be playing your games here or charging your phone while you're visiting. On the other side, right across, your TV will go here. People are always asking for more storage. Well, we got more storage. We've got pantry with loads of shelves. They're deep. They go right back in there. You can put all of your groceries, plus your neighbors if they wanted them. 6 cubic foot fridge. Stovetop, and again, the nice clean lines through this. Check that out. Like, you can use this as a countertop as well as this as a countertop all the way through. Oven and stainless steel under-mounted sink. And it's big enough to bath a baby in there if you so desire. But it's pretty nifty. As we go back through here, in the bathroom, it's an adult-style bathroom. It's got nice big shower, radius doors so it doesn't take up room in the bathroom when you're coming out, in and out of it. It does have that outside door, as I mentioned to you earlier. And then it's got foot flush toilet. Side, it has a door going into the bedroom as well as the vanity and medicine cabinet. Now, in the main bedroom, you have the master bedroom. It's a RV queen size. Lots of lights for reading. Like, you can shut one off if you so desire and for reading and let your spouse or your partner sleep. Lots of cabinet space for clothes, as well as the Grey Wolf does some neat things. They have USB ports all over the place because they know that we are all powered by our communications. This unit is an optional 2-bedroom, or you can get quad bunks. In this case, we've got the second bedroom. Very few trailers have 2 bedrooms, but this has a complete bedroom. So as you're looking in here, you've got an RV queen style bed again, plus closet on the side here. So you've got a complete adult bedroom for guests if you so desire, or if you've got adult children that travel with you, or if you're traveling with another couple. You got it made with this trailer. Alrighty, now that's a 2018 Grey Wolf 29 TE, and this is the 2-bedroom model. And you've got to have a look at it. I always tell our people to have a look at it because that's when you can really feel the difference of the quality and how they're built. Things to remember: this has loads of storage, great big pantry in the living room, in the kitchen living room. 2 bedrooms, very unique for most of the RVs. Fiberglass wall, and just a nice airy feeling to it. I'm Nick with Minard's Leisure World. Check us out online. It's minardsleisureworld.com, or give us a phone call if you have any questions. It's 1-877-842-3288.